Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and here we are going to finish the patio. So sit back, enjoy, and at the end we're going to add a little fire pit to it. Okay, so we got all the pavers down, and you see the ones standing up, those are the ones I still need to cut. So I went ahead and got those cut, and now we're going to put in the edger here. Get that all nice and tightened up. Just showing you driving in the stakes here. But very simple to put in. These stakes just go right on through. You put them right through the padding and everything, and it really just helps us secure the whole patio. we got the patio done. We're just cleaning up the sides, getting some sand mixed in with the loose soil, and going to get it ready for sod. This will help the sod really set in really well. It likes a good sandy soil. I think we're putting Bermuda in around this one. Well, thanks everybody for watching the video today. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more cool videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see y'all next time.